Hey, what's going on guys? It's Amara, and in this video I'm going to be sharing how I'm going to go about optimizing a landing page of a brand I'm working on at the moment. So this brand is called Wild Upgrade, and they do supplements for men who are interested in optimizing their fitness and health. And what we've got here is a supplement, a collagen supplement, and I'm going to break down the format of this landing page so you can also incorporate it into the brands you're working on or working with. So to start off with, we've got a product image here, and what's important is to have it in the form of a carousel so you can have multiple images in there, because that creates engagement. People want to see what the image or what the product looks like from different vantage points. So we've got different images in here. We've got a buy box over here as well. In the buy box, we've got two main headlines as well as a description of what the product is. Now, further down, we've got what we call the benefits that the product is going to give the customer when they buy it. So we've elaborated on the benefits over there. Also, what we've got here is call to action buttons that are spaced out across the landing page. So you don't want to go too far without having a call to action button, right? So we've got call to action buttons. As I mentioned, we've got the benefits that the prospect is going to get from buying this product. And also what we've got here are the value propositions. The fact that it's grass-fed, non-GMO and hormone-free. We've got the promise here for 60-day money-back guarantee, and also the rating. And what we've got below that are the FAQs. And FAQs is so important because you can use this to handle the objections that a prospect would have about why they don't want to buy your product, right? So you can handle this in the FAQ section. And we've got quite a few FAQs over here and then reviews below that. So we've run out to this page, and now it's time for me to analyze what's going on with the data. How are people interacting with this page, and how can I possibly go about improving conversion? So let's hop over to Hotjar. If you haven't got Hotjar installed on your store, highly recommend it. You can use it to collect recordings of user interactions and also use it to create a heat map of all those interactions on your store. So right now we are at Hotjar, and I'm just going to show you how we've got into it. So your landing page on Hotjar should look like this. You should have your recordings over here on your heat maps. I'm going to focus this video on the heat maps, and what we want to do is click on the heat maps for this. Usually you want to get to about 1,000 page views before you can start getting some data that's statistically significant and you can make decisions on. So let's click on the heat map and see where we are. Because the majority of our data is coming over from mobile, I'm going to prioritize that for this review. And what can we see over here? A lot of people love this carousel. So you certainly want to make use of this to give people a better view of the product from different vantage points. So one thing that's occurred to me is that we may be including a few more pictures and videos as part of this carousel because people are engaging with it. And perhaps if we can include something that's a bit more engaging, that would improve the conversions. So that's that. You can see that people are engaging with that. And then we've got some 5 taps on the headline over there. This section here didn't really generate that many taps, so we might want to, over here we just got 3 taps overall, so in this section, which is not really great. So we might want to improve the copy over here, make it a bit more engaging. Interestingly enough, we got more taps below this bit than we got here, so this bit may need a bit more work done, just over here. $14 taps on the add to cart. Right. Those got some engagement. That got some engagement. This got 0 engagement. So what I would do is remove that text in the next iteration. It's got some engagement. The middle paragraph didn't get any engagement, so I'll think about removing that. All right. 18 taps over there. So that got some engagement. So interestingly enough, hormone-free got the most engagement, right? So we might want to bring that to the top. And what's interesting is the engagements on the FAQs. So you can see that some of the FAQs got more engagement than others. Check this out. 32 taps. So we certainly want to bring this question about when should I use the product to the top, and basically arrange these FAQs in descending order of taps, right? So bring the ones that people are engaging with the most all the way to the top, and then leave the least engaged ones at the bottom. And then do the same for reviews as well. Arrange the reviews based on the amount of engagement they're getting. And then once you've updated all of this, you can then run some ads and see exactly whether that improves your conversion rate or not. So I hope you got some ideas on this, on how you can use Hotjar to create a heat map of all the user interactions on your store, so that you can get some insights on how people are interacting with your store, what's causing them to bounce, and what are they interested in that you want to bring to the surface. So what I'm going to do next is take all the insights I've got from this, and then, you know, update the landing page and run some more ads to see exactly how that impacts the conversion rate. And if I see anything interesting, I'll jump back on here and share it with you. So if you like videos like this, do consider subscribing. And until next time, take care.